Hey Cookie, what should we do today? I feel like we need a little adventure.
I'm not sure, Donut. We've explored so many places already. What could be a fun surprise for today?
You know what? I have an idea. How about we embark on a delicious and creative journey together?
I'm intrigued. Tell me more, Donut.
Well, let's showcase our baking skills and create something extraordinary. What do you say to making our own donuts?
Donuts. That sounds absolutely delightful. Count me in, Donut.
All right, Cookie. Our first mission is to find the finest ingredients for our homemade donuts.
Let's start with flour, sugar, eggs, and all the other essentials. We want the best of the best.
It's time to put our baking skills to the test, Cookie. Let's mix up a dough that will amaze everyone.
Mixing, kneading, and sprinkling our magic donut.
Now comes the fun part, Cookie. We get to let our imaginations run wild and decorate these donuts to perfection.
I have a feeling our creations will be a feast for the eyes and taste buds.
Our masterpiece is complete, Cookie. Look at this stunning display of deliciousness.
It's truly remarkable, Donut. Our very own donut paradise.
Cookie, our sweet surprise turned out better than I could have imagined. It's a testament to our friendship and creativity.
Absolutely, Donut. Our journey today reminds me that with a little inspiration and collaboration, we can create something truly wonderful.
Here's to more sweet surprises and delightful adventures, Cookie.
Cheers, Donut. Our next delicious escapade awaits.